In this video, I'll be going over my mid-month income report for Amazon, KDP, YouTube, and Etsy for October 1st, 2025 to October 16th, 2025. So first, let's start with Amazon KDP ads, and I actually didn't run any ads since August 2023 for Amazon KDP, mostly just because they require quite a bit of effort, at least for me, to do them, and I really just don't have the extra bandwidth or finances to be doing ads right now. I don't have anything like personally against Amazon KDP ads or anything like that. So moving on over to orders, I got 28 orders for October 1st to 2025 to October 16th, 2025. And it looks like my lowest day is going to be October 1st with 0, and then highest October 7th with 6 orders. And then I have a bunch of days with 1 order, and then it just varied quite a bit. And I'm not currently running any ads. I do have like some YouTube videos, I think just on my books, and maybe some social media posts, but I haven't really posted anything like recently, if that made sense. So overall, I'm pretty happy with this. And before I move over to the actual royalties and YouTube and Etsy analytics, I do want to thank the sponsor for this video, which is Everbee. If you don't know anything about Everbee, I highly recommend checking out all the different tools that Everbee has to offer. I do have a link in the description below in case you're interested in Everbee. So I have the extension right here, Everbee Research. You have My Shop, Product Analytics, Shop Analyzer, Keyword Research, Profit Calculator, Favorites, Learn, and then you also have this options area. And there are just so many different tools and information you can get from Everbee. So my personal favorite tool that Everbee has is this profit calculator, because after you put all that effort in, you definitely want to make sure you're going to be making some sort of profit off of your product or service or whatever you're offering with Etsy. So you can input your price, and then Everbee can tell you your potential net profit, which I think is just absolutely amazing. And you also have this advanced options. You can put in like the cost of item, packaging, shipping, and you have advertising, and you just have so much that you can really like add in here to get as much of an accurate profit as you want to get. And if you want to know, like, okay, if I do this amount of discount, like, what can my profit potentially be? You can use this tool right here. You can do either like money, or you can do percent for discounts, which is just really, really cool. So that's one of my favorite tools. And then also, like, another tool here, you can type in anything in the search bar that you want, and Everbee can pop up, like if there's monthly searches for that. And then you can click see more in case you're looking to have some more information as well. And this can take a minute for my computer to load that too. So I think instead I'm just going to go over to product analytics instead of trying to click that. So over here, you can just look at like the keyword right here, dog digital paper, and then you can look at the sales, revenue, trends. You can click on different products here. You can do filters. You can adjust these. So if I want to do like the most revenue, I can do that. I can view the product on Etsy. I can look at the shop details. I can look at this trends graph. I mean, there is literally so much data that Everbee can give you. You can look at the different tags here, and there is just so more that Everbee can do. So I highly recommend checking them out for Etsy, whether you're advanced or beginner. I think that Everbee probably has something that can at least help your business in some way, in my opinion. If you have any questions or anything about Everbee, please feel free to put them in the comments or reach out to Everbee directly, and I can do my best to answer them. And if you reach out to Everbee directly, then hopefully they can get back to you with an answer that can be helpful for whatever question you might have. So thank you again to Everbee for sponsoring this video. Moving on over to royalties, $65.38. Highest being October 7th with over $12, lowest being October 1st with 0. What type of books actually sold? So for October 1st to October 16th, 2025, I sold mainly scrapbook paper, craft paper, pad books. I did, however, sell 2 coupon books. Well, it's 1 coupon book, but that coupon book sold 2 books, if that makes sense. So overall, pretty happy with that. And then I did not have many books sell. So looking at top 10, like 27 out of 28 books, and then $65, oh no, $64.62 and $65.38. So majority of these is going to be from top 10 books that sold for this income report. So you don't need to have like hundreds of books to make money with Amazon KDP either. You really just need one book to start making money with Amazon KDP, in my opinion. And then moving on over to YouTube. So I have not been very consistent or great about posting on YouTube. I do apologize for that and getting back to comments. I'm trying. I do really have a lot going on. I know I probably say that in a lot of videos right now, but yeah, there's just been a lot, and I'm still trying to recover from health issues going on. And yes, I just really, really appreciate all of you being so kind and understanding. Like, that really means so much to me. So for YouTube, I posted 3 videos, it looks like, in between October 1st, 2025 to October 16th, 2025. 23.5K views, 139.2 watch time hours, 14 subscribers, added and $11.50. And it looks like for subscribers, that definitely went up and down, but that's okay. And then looking at like top content, this short here is just still doing really, really well. There's some top content, go to revenue. Let's see. RPM $6.89. And yeah, let's look at I want to look at that video and see how many views this video currently has. Let's see. 397.2K. That is just amazing. Very thankful for that. And majority are also, I clicked on that again, are also from YouTube search, which is really, really cool, in my opinion. So then moving on over to, oh, here we go. In the selected period, so like for October 1st, 2025 to October 16th, 2025, your channel got 23,543 views, which is really cool. So thank you so much to all of you. I really, really appreciate you watching my videos and listening and just, everything, all the support. I really, really appreciate that. So then for Etsy, I got for October 1st, 2025 to October 16th, 2025, got 11 people like visiting the shop or visits on this Etsy shop. If that makes sense. They decreased 54% compared to 2024. That's okay. I got one order, which looks like this increased by 1 compared to 2024. And I got the order on October 1st, and which is kind of interesting since Amazon KDP doesn't have an order on October 1st, but I got one on Etsy. So that's pretty cool. Like having multiple streams of income, like just because one doesn't make income on one day doesn't mean another one might not, if that makes sense. So I think that's pretty cool. That even though I didn't make any royalties with Amazon KDP, I did make money with Etsy on October 1st. So I don't know. I just think that's really cool. In my opinion. So then from conversion rate, 9.1%, which increased by 9.1% since 2024. Revenue, $2.39, which increased probably, by $2.39. And that isn't, I think, actually what I get in my paycheck. Like, I don't know about paycheck, but that's not actually what I get deposited into my bank account. I think there might be some extra fees and things like that. So I probably get between $1 to $2 or $1.50 to $2.50 usually, probably. I'll just say $1 to $2.50 probably on average. But that can add up, and I don't really do a ton with Etsy right now. Like, I'm not really doing a ton with any of these businesses right now just because I have a lot going on. But I currently have, I think, 5 listings with Etsy. Sometimes they do expire, and I don't realize it, but I do try to keep them all active. And I think they're all at $2.99, and they're all digital download products, so I don't have to actually, do really anything if somebody buys any of my products. They just automatically get their product. I think in email or in their checkout email or something like that. So that is also passive income. I'm not currently running ads for any of my businesses. I think I'm in that Etsy offsite ads program where Etsy can run offsite ads for me or something like that. Or I think if Etsy advertises my products in offsite ads and then I do get a sale from that, then I do think I have to pay a fee, but I'm not personally running any ads right now. And then also this probably they like whoever ordered this might have had a discount, and that might be why it's not like $2.99. I'm not entirely sure. I'd have to check to like be sure on that. But anyways, I'd love to know how your businesses are going for you, and if you have any questions or comments or anything like that, please feel free to let me know in the comments. I greatly appreciate all of you being so patient and kind and understanding and supportive, and yeah, I just really, really appreciate all of all of you guys being so patient and everything. Thank you so much for watching and listening to this video. I hope that you have a great day.